It's all about the search results. It really is. Just imagine you have a steady flow of leads every single day, 5 or 6 leads, 5, 10 leads every single day, and that's flowing into your business. But they're not just leads where maybe they want something or maybe they don't. They're leads where somebody is explicitly looking for the service that you provide. All you've got to do is convince them that you're the right company to work with. What would that do to your business? What would that do to your cash flow? Just take a moment and imagine it. Hi, I'm Tim Barry from Holistic Web Presence. Our consistent track record proves that we have the formula for doing this, for getting a client, especially local specialist builders, to go from being completely invisible to showing up when people are looking for their service in the search results, at the top of the search results. What many people don't realize about organic marketing or organic lead generation as we think about it is that there's a huge difference between being at the bottom of page one or being in the third position of page one to the top position in page one. The position at the top of page one gets roughly 45% of the clicks. So for everybody that searches, whoever's in that top position is going to get 45% of all the clicks. Then the second position, it drops off very rapidly to about 18% on average. The third position, you're down to something in the region of about 7% of the clicks. So if you go from position 3 in the search results to position 1, you're going to quadruple your business. If you're below position 3, you're getting maybe 2% of the clicks. So if you go from the bottom of page 1 to the top of page 1, it's a complete game changer for your business. We've got many case studies now where we've shown that we've completely transformed local businesses to be able to just have this enormous incoming flow of new customers every single day. It's a game changer. It's crazy how transformative this is. Take Andre in California, for example. He's a local specialist builder and his average project size is somewhere between $60,000 to maybe $90,000. And he went from getting 1 or 2 deals a quarter, having to do expensive paid advertising, maybe getting business through referrals, to he's getting, now the phone is ringing all the time. 5 or 6 times a day, he's got a genuine person calling to say, can you build this in my house? And he's getting multiple, let's say $60,000 deals every single month now. He's making about 20 to 30% margin on those deals. Now imagine if you had that much business and that much cash flow coming into your business, what would that do? What would your life be like if that was a constant flow? You'd be scrabbling to build the business, right? You'd be scrambling to keep up with your business. You'd probably be hiring and just putting things in place. Instead of worrying about cash flow, you'd be there keeping up with the amount of business that's in this influx of business coming into your company. I expect you've got a website, but I expect it doesn't really do a lot for you. You've got it there, you don't really know why you've got it. You show customers it occasionally, but it doesn't do much. The key to making this all work is having a website that converts really well, but one that actually shows up when people are looking for what you do. It's got to show up at the top of the search results. It's incredible, just that small movement of a few places in the search results, and you get a completely different result. You've got to have some faith that it's going to work and that it's going to happen to you, and it can happen to you if you let it. Now, I'm not saying it's like throwing a switch and you're going to go from one day to the next day and all of a sudden you're going to get all of those leads. It takes a bit of effort and it takes a bit of time, but it is a doable process. We've proven it. It doesn't have to cost a fortune. You just have to be willing to put a bit of time and energy to working with us to pull off those results. It took Joe in Las Vegas 2 years to make up his mind to finally call us and talk to us about his business and what can be done with his business to turn it around. 6 months later, he cannot believe the results that he's getting. He said to me just yesterday, Tim, I wish I'd done this 2 years ago. My life would be completely different right now. So don't procrastinate. It's all about taking action. Getting results is all about actually doing something. Click the link below and you can book a meeting and you can talk to me and we'll look at your specific business and understand what can be achieved. That's all you've got to do to get started. Click that link below and talk to me and completely transform your business.